Good day, friends. Derek, that ADU guy, and I'm stoked to throw this out to one rental at a time in the community to give back. Nobody puts out more free content on YouTube than Michael Zuber, so I want to share with you all the quickest, easiest, and cheapest way to get your first rental property. That's the attached internal conversion ADU. We're going to walk through this unit, and then at the end, I'm going to talk about the things that you need to look for in a property and the things that you also need to avoid. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house that we bought, and we converted a section of the house into an attached 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU. Fully legal, fully permitted for under $30,000. I think it was $28,500 to convert this unusable, archaic section of the house into its own 1-bedroom legal dwelling unit. This was the original entry into the main house. This here was walled off. We simply put in a 3.0 exterior door. It used to be a secondary living room and a secondary dining room. There was a walk-through here into the entry, and then there was another arched 36-inch walkway into the kitchen. We simply soundproofed this wall and put our signature one-wall galley kitchen in. We framed in a simple 5x8 bathroom here with a full tub shower combo. We always put a loft in all of our units. It's that kid in me that always wanted the tree house. Anytime you can have livable, usable, free space above an interior spot that you're framing off, like this bathroom and closet, it's really cool to have a loft. Up here we can stand up. We've got almost 8 feet of clearance up to the top. It makes for great storage. It also is a very well lit spot. Here we've got a 5x8 bathroom, 24-inch vanity. We save space in these units by using a pocket door, 10x10 on the bedroom. We've got good natural light, ductless mini split up here, and then a small closet, 8 foot wide by 24 inches deep. Real Douglas fir wide plank, nail down hardwood flooring, tile hard surface in the bathroom, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, slide in custom 24-inch apartment size range, 15 gauge handmade stainless steel sink. These are the systems we use in every single unit. We don't have decision fatigue. We use what works, keep it affordable, pass the savings on to our tenant. I want to share with you the few things you should look for when you're considering this strategy. First and foremost, every time is going to be, is there a bathroom in the area of the house that I would like to convert? Maybe that's a master bedroom that already has an existing bathroom. The reason being is the 3-inch drain line that we need for a toilet is usually the most expensive part of the whole process. So if you can find a portion of the house that already has a bathroom, you're gonna save a ton of money. Look for properties that have good infrastructure. Always scope your sewer line before you close. My rule of thumb is 1980 or newer. With that, we're gonna get most likely copper, water lines, or plastic water lines, and a plastic drain line. So there's nothing worse than buying a house, trying to deploy this strategy just to find out you have to upgrade the sewer line or you have to replace the electrical panel. Stay away from municipalities that don't allow accessory dwelling units. If they don't and you still want to do something close, that's a whole nother video. We'll talk about that later. This strategy doesn't work everywhere. You have to be in an area where people are demanding rental units. Never buy a house, if you're going to deploy this strategy, that doesn't have any parking, because your tenants won't have any place to park. Tenants want privacy. So anytime we can set up our conversion ADU on a spot that's not going to transfer sound easily to the other side, that's always a plus. A couple things I do for soundproofing that I'll touch on real quick is design. Use good design, don't have shared bedroom walls, and then we use 2 layers of 5/8 Type X drywall with a soundproofing proprietary compound called green glue between the 2 of those to really deflect that noise. Stay away from cities that don't allow ADUs. You're trying to stay away from homeowner associations as well as historic districts. The standards are way higher in those areas. Make sure you check those few things before you close on a property. If this information is bringing you value, feel free to like and subscribe and check out my website, thataduguy.com, where I give away tons of free resources. Thanks for your time, folks.